I'm doing nuggets.
I am too hot.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please hit that subscribe button down below, click the notification bell so you are notified every time I make a video. Today I have with me my lovely sister SassyShan.
What's up?
Today we are
good to be back.
I can't tell why she's so terrible. Anyways, today we'll be doing the whisper challenge, and here we're doing the talking one. Over on her channel we did the singing one, so if you have not yet checked that video out, it will be down in my description down below. After you finish watching this video, go ahead and go to that video, guys. It was funny, so what are y'all waiting on? While we are playing to what I sung. Yes, so we just finished filming that one. So yes guys, without further ado, let us get into the video. Alright, so we're gonna the way how this goes. The way how this goes, we are gonna. I think I deleted that. I deleted all of my songs. Anyways, the way all this goes, we're gonna play a song in our ears, and then the other person, we're gonna say a sentence or a few words. Basically, we'll say a phrase actually, and the other person has to say what we're saying, basically, without hearing. So it's like a lip reading thing. Which song you want? I don't know.
Anything past beat, up beats.
People.
I mean, I win in here. May I win?
See your boyfriend there.
My heart.
Ready?
What?
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to start. I'm going to tell her. My camera need to hear me because. So I'm going to tell her I'm doing nuggets, okay? I'm doing nuggets. I'm doing nuggets.
I am too hot.
I'm doing nuggets.
What?
This is too funny. I'm doing nuggets.
I am doing frank. Me give up. What you say?
I'm doing nuggets.
Your turn.
I feel like this is gonna be real funny.
Ready? I need a house.
I need a house.
She's good at this.
I
Damn it! One for you, none for me. Next.
Guys. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. Ready? I love yellow.
You love me.
I love you, yes, but no. I love yellow.
I love love.
Last try.
Slower, slower.
I love yellow.
I love yellow. Dad.
Oh my gosh. Guys, the music is so loud. So that's why we're shouting.
Jesus. My best friend is you.
My best friend is you.
Unfair.
Oh, that's so easy though.
Me no gun.
Let's start over the. You get one. You get the yellow one. So it's 2 to 1. 2 to 1.
Even get one. Yes.
Anyways, let's go. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Beautiful.
You're beautiful.
I am beautiful.
You're beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Yes.
2 for me.
So 3. There you go.
2. You don't got none yet. Yet.
Sorry.
Mississippi. 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 Mississippi.
Mississippi.
Me done. Anyway, she depend 3-2, so we can meet her up. And my last one this.
Yeah, I think so. And then after this, my last one. That's all. How much
No song now, play teacher.
How much we gone?
2 me gone, can me feel 2.
So how much me gone? 3. Let's break for a while, shall we?
Now we at the bottom, but baby, this is none of my business.
We love music.
What?
We love music. We love music.
What me have on tomorrow? Let a little light me.
We love music.
You love music?
We love music.
We love music.
Yes.
This side is hard for
But that jumping. Alright, I'll be the last one now. I think. Alright guys, let's go. Let's go. Wait.
Right now, I'm tired of online school. Right now, I'm tired of online school. Right now, I'm tired of online school.
Right now.
I'm tired of online school.
Right now, I'm tired of this school. Oh, right now, I'm tired of online school. I'm here right now, and I'm here supposed school, so we just fill in the blank.
Oh, this was
nice.
bad. As she win, and listen, me tired over my other channel, my channel, me tired. Why? Why me can't win for your channel?
I don't know.
Why?
But yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, as I said, hit that subscribe button and head over to her channel. As I said, there's one over there. Subscribe. We're gonna give you 5 seconds to subscribe.
1, 2, 3.
I think they took 3 seconds.
5.
Them nice. Thank you guys, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below something, I don't know. Share with your friends, your families.
Turn on your post notifications.
Yes, click that bell. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.